Today, dash fellows, Arijit, one of our students, got job in the company as a software engineer. He will be sharing his experience. Listen to it. Provide us.
Hello everyone, I am Arijit. I have completed my BCA from Sami Institute of Modern Science in the year of 2024, and then I joined QSpiders in the month of July 2024 and in Java full stack web development. And after that, I got a job within 2 months in a MNC company. And I am really very grateful to all the trainers, teachers, and counselors of QSpiders, G-Spider, Kolkata. They trained me and guided me in all aspects to get this interview cracked, and especially Vishwanath sir, who taught me SQL, and Sachin sir and Subham sir, who trained me in core Java and advanced Java, and above all, SKS sir, who always made me motivated and gave me always high to achieve my goals and to crack the interview. He also groomed me before all the interviews, and which helped me a lot to crack this interview and gave self motivation. And another person with whom I cannot able to speak a lot in front of anyone, who developed and increased my communication skill. Sagar sir, who helped me and trained me to improve my communication skill through bootcamp classes, mock interviews, which helped me to gain self confidence to face any kind of interview. Again, I'm really grateful to help me in achieving my goals, in fulfilling my dream in work in the IT.
Thank you, sir.